Hey YouTubers, and welcome once again to the Samurai Monkey 42. I'm making this mini video to show you guys three really cool World War II Japanese soldiers towels. These were given to Japanese soldiers during World War II, and some of them contain drawings and Japanese patriotic phrases. I'm going to show you guys my favorite one, which is the one on top. It has the Japanese flag in the middle, and this Japanese phrase here in the on the left side. And you can see this one has a lot of stains. There's a yellow stain there. Has another very popular Japanese phrase at the time, which means fortune to the fortunes and through the war. Let's move down to the middle one. I've seen this Japanese phrase before, and I think it means long live the emperor for 1,000 years. And this is I seen this sign on a lot of Japanese equipment and swords. Is I think it's called the Meganotawa sign. And I got these three towels together, and let me show you guys my second favorite one, which is this one. It has a Japanese helmet and an Arisaka rifle, star, navy star, some cherry blossom petals, blossom flower. Pretty cool. I've seen various different designs and phrases on these towels. The Japanese were notorious for just advertising and their patriotism for making various designs. So I'm gonna put this it's up for sale on my eBay store, the Samurai Monkey 42. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys are having a nice weekend. It's getting a little cold here in Texas. If you guys live here in Texas, we're kind of getting that cold weather now, the winter time. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna have a link up to one of my previous videos here, and a way where you can subscribe up to my channel. Check out my eBay store. Thank you so much for watching, and check out my next video.